So you may have seen the first dragon head I've taught on this channel, and you may have seen the second, but now I've gone out and made a third one. Now you may be wondering why I've been making so many dragon heads, and it's really because I'm making a bigger dragon, so I'm using these as building blocks to go up. Got a minute? Actually, I was in the middle of making a video. Yeah, hi. I just wanted to say that we's fine. Okay, I just wanted to say that we designed a dragon. Wow, really? Yeah. Okay, I'll go. You keep doing whatever it was you're doing. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna fold this, and yeah, here's how to fold it. So we're gonna start colored side up, and yeah, here we go. So first what we have to do is we have to fold into thirds. So let's go like this, and just arrange the folds until they're about right. Alright, so just make some pinches, and then fold the pinches all the way. Same with this one. And to make our work a little easier for the second way, we're gonna just diagonally fold it in half. Alright. Now take this edge and fold it to this intersection point. This is our easier way of folding into thirds. And turn over, fold this edge to this crease. Alright, now unfold and take this point and fold it to this. Oh, actually, sorry. Turn over, fold this point to this point. And mount and fold this flap behind. And this flap behind. And now take this edge and fold it to this crease, and there will be some paper coming over, so just take this point, fold it to this point, and it should end right here. And then unfold, do the same thing here. So we're basically making a petal base right here. Okay. That was kind of messy, I'll redo that. Alright, there, much better. Now, just fold this point up so the end of the creases reaches these 2 points. Okay, now we want to petal fold, but then you see it kind of lets the paper around it move as well. So we have to let it move around, so just mount and fold on the creases. And flatten these parts. And then now turn over and fold this up. Actually, rotate and fold it up. And there, now we have this. And now we have this locked flap right here, so we have to release that by opening this pocket, open it out, and then push this out as a mount and fold, and then valley fold it back in, and valley fold this flap up. And now we have freed the side, and let's do that for this side too. There, now it should look like that. Take this point and fold it to this point. Make sure it's only one layer. And let's reverse fold. Like that. And now turn over and do the same thing. Like that. So now turn over. This is where it gets a little tricky. Let's zoom in a little more. And let's take this point and fold it to this point. And sort of unfold, but keep this point folded and just swivel it so that this edge lines up with this edge. Actually, the creases. But you know what I meant. Anyways, valley fold this back down on the existing crease. Take this edge and fold it to this edge. And then we have this. So now we want to make a rabbit ear here. So unfold, take this edge and fold to this edge. And take these two together and make a rabbit ear. And make it form to this point. And flatten. And do the same back here. So just mount and fold along the creases we've made. Well, that we've made beside. And flatten. So if you open it up, it should look like that. And do the same on this side. Right, and unfold. And we have this. Now we're going to make it an actual petal base by opening it up and squash. It's going to be a little hard, so let's fold it like that. And open and squash. Let's pull it out. Here we go. And now fold along this crease and flatten both sides. There we go, that took a little long. Now open it and squash. Petal fold up. Now turn over, do the same thing here. And petal fold down. Yeah, put both petal folds down. And then we should be left with this. And now if we fold these over, the edges are nice and flush. Okay, so now I want to take this, I just want to take a valley fold here and squash this up like that. And then same with this side, like that. And take this edge and fold to this crease. And reverse fold it in. And same with this side. And reverse fold these corners in, just like we did at the start. So, how do we do this? So, just flatten it like that, and squish it down, and it should look like this. Sorry, I had to cut it. My camera ran out of battery. So, just do it, same here, reverse fold in, like that. So we have this, and repeat all of that on this side. Okay, and it should look like that. Now, let's open these. And it's the same process. We're just gonna make a bird base. So, I'll do it with this one. Just make all the creases you would normally do in a bird base. Okay, so it should look like that. And unfold the other part and repeat all of that here. So we have that.